For most of us in the US, winter means cold. And I don't know about you, but I hold my breath whenever I open a gas or an electric bill in the winter because, OMG, how much is it going to be this month? But there are some really easy do-it-yourself ways to make your home more energy efficient this winter season and save you some serious cash. Your furnace should be serviced annually. Well, preferably in the spring and fall, but as long as you get it done every year and change your filters every month, you should be fine. Keeping up with regular maintenance will help reduce energy consumption, which will save you money. According to the EPA, you could save roughly $180 a year by using a programmable thermostat. Even better, install a smart thermostat. They're not only super easy to use from your phone, but they can learn your behaviors and monitor your energy usage. And while you're at it, this is onesie season after all, so keep warm by covering up. LED bulbs use less energy and last longer, saving you money twofold. They're also brighter, which is great for shorter winter days and longer nights. And it's worth it to invest in LEDs throughout your entire home, including your holiday lights. And putting your holiday lights on a timer will settle the did anyone turn off the lights last night debacle, so you're not paying to share the beauty of your light display with a sleeping neighborhood. Air sealing a drafty house can save an average of $83 to $166 a year on heating and cooling costs. And you can DIY it for pretty inexpensive. So if you feel a draft coming in around a window or a door or anywhere else, there are tons of options to seal them up. The goal is to keep your warm air in and the cold air out. And obviously nothing says holiday season quite like a cozy fire, which will give off some amazing free heat. But for those of us without a fireplace, these tips will keep us toasty and warm and saving some cash to buy gifts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you have a burning mortgage-related question, leave it in the comments below and maybe your question will be featured in a future video.